Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all, guys, can we all turn to wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera? Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap, and close our eyes. When you're ready, guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. Next, we'll do our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we'll begin by stretching up high to the sky. High as we can. And then, let's go down low. Touch our toes. Now, back up high one more time. And this time, can we go tippy-toe high? And while we're there, let's have a wave. And then back down to touch our toes again. Hands on hips. And let's have a wiggle. Let's wiggle side to side. Stop. And then another wiggle. Stop. Forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards. And stop. Next, we'll go round and round. Round and round. And stop. Now we'll go back the other way. Round and round the other way. And stop. And to finish, guys, we'll do 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Have a seat. So who can tell me what we've been learning about in math class recently? That's correct. Well done. We've been learning a lot about multiplication. So first of all, I'll draw the multiplication sign, which is like a big X. And then multiplication, guys. M-U-L-T-I-P-L-I-C-A-T-I-O-N. Altogether, multiplication. Yes. And in the previous lesson, we learned how to multiply by 3-digit numbers. We learned how to do 3-digit numbers multiplied by 3 digits. And what we're going to do now is do a brief recap for one of our students to demonstrate how to do that. So first of all, guys, I need some numbers. 2, 3, 4. Okay. 2, 3, 4 multiplied by 3, 7, 5. Okay. That's good. We have 234 multiplied by 375. So we have our sum on the board. Now we need our students to come and demonstrate for us. Now, who can I choose? Let's see. Okay, so the pen is now with Down. I would like to invite Down to come forward and demonstrate how to correctly answer 3 digits multiplied by 3 digits. So step number 1, let's organize. We need our multiplication table. So we've got 234 multiplied by 375. Excellent, Down. So, as always, we start with the ones. 5. So first of all, guys, 5 times 4 equals 20. So 0 and carry the 2. 5 times 3 equals 15. Plus the 2, 17. 5 times 2. Correct. Well done, Lakau. And now we're into the thousands. We use our column, our comma. So now we have our first answer, 1,170. So let's write our answer first there, please, Down. 1,170. So that's our first answer. But we're not finished because we need 3 different answers. Next, we move on to the tens column. And how many tens can we see, guys? 7. So 70. 34. 70. So remember, what do we do with the 0? Delete the 0. And now we simply multiply by 7s. So 7 times 4? 28. 8 and carry the 2. Now 7 times 3? 21. Plus 2, 23. And 7 times 2? 14. Plus 2, 16. Excellent. So now we've got answer number 2. And what we do is we put our 0 back. Well done, Down. So that means our comma will go here. We have 16,380. Now, remembering place value, we write that answer in our table to the right. Well done, Dan. So we've got 2 answers. We've got the answer from the ones multiplication, the tens multiplication, and now the 3rd digit, the hundreds. Well done, Pak Bung. So how many hundreds do we have, guys? 300. Excellent. Now, how many zeros can you see? Delete the 2 zeros. So now we're multiplying by 3. 3 times 4 equals 12.
3 times 3 equals 9 plus 1 equals 10. 0 equals 1.
Excellent.
3 times 2 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7.
Equals 7. Okay. And then what we do is our zeros that we removed, they come back in at the end of the calculation. And our comma goes in the right place. So our 3rd answer, 70,200. And we write our 3rd answer in our column 2. Comma 200. Okay. Well done, down. Now, our final calculation isn't multiplication. We have our 3 answers, ones, tens, hundreds. What we need to do now is add these numbers together. So 0 plus 0 plus 0.
8 times 8 plus 7 equals
8,
15.
8 plus 7 equals 15. Carry the 1.
3 plus 2 plus 1 equals plus 1 equals 7. 3 plus 1 equals 7. 7 plus 1 equals 8.
Excellent. So you see, guys, by adding all of our numbers together, we can get our final total. And our final total is 87,750. So we can say 234 multiplied by 375 equals 87,750. And that's how we can correctly multiply 3-digit numbers by 3 digits, using the step-by-step process and removing the zeros and putting them back at the end. Down, that was brilliant. High five and a big round of applause for Down, please, guys. And what we're going to do in today's lesson is we're going to move on. We're still going to be multiplying by 3 digits. But in today's lesson, we're going to multiply 4 digits by 3 digits. So that means we'll be multiplying thousands by hundreds. And what I'm going to do now is a board exercise to demonstrate how we can correctly multiply 4 digits by 3 digits using the step-by-step process that we've been using. It's exactly the same. The only thing is there'll be one more step because we've got one more digit. So first of all, guys, can I have some numbers, please? 6. Okay. So 6, 8, 4, 7. 6,847. And now can I have 3 numbers, guys? 3 digits. 2, 1. Let's not use 0, 9, okay, because 0 is too easy. I want to demonstrate a harder number. 219. Okay, so we have our 4-digit number, and we're going to multiply by our 3-digit number. So step number 1, organize. We need our multiplication table. 6,847. And then, remembering place value, multiplied by 219. So we can begin. And where do we start, guys? Do we start with the 200s? No. Always start with the ones column. So 9 times 7? 63. So 3, carry over 6. Next, 9 times 4. 36 plus 42. So we write the 2, carry the 4. 9 times 8. 72 plus 4. 76. 6, carry the 7, comma, because we're now moving into the thousands. 9 times 6. 61. So we can write that answer because we've got nowhere else to carry. So our first answer for the ones column, 61,623. Okay, so let's write this here. 1, 6, 2, 3. 3. Okay, now we're finished with the ones column. Now we go into the tens columns. How many tens can we see? 1 10 equals 10. So we can write like this, 6,847. 210. So now we're looking at this column, the tens. What can we do with the 0, guys? Delete the 0 for now. Let's put it over here. So now, 1 times 7. 1 times 4. 1 times 8. 1 times 6. What do you notice? Yes. What do you notice so far? The same. You see, whenever we're multiplying by 1, we always get the same answer. And then, what comes back at the end? So I need to delete this comma and then put it here. So we have our answer for our second column, the tens. 68,470. Okay, so now 68,470. Excellent. And now we move on to our third column, hundreds. How many can we see? 2 hundreds. So 6,847 equals. So what do I do with the zeros? Delete the zeros, 2 of them. Let's put them here. 2 times 7. 14. 2 times 4. Excellent. 2 times 8. Plus nothing. Carry the 1. Now we have our 1,000. Perfect, guys. And now what do we need to do? 0, 0. So now let's delete this, comma, and place it. Is that right? No. That's right. 7 digits, 2 commas. So our answer, 1,369,400. Now we can write our third answer, which is 1,369,400. Now we have our 3 answers. And we don't multiply these numbers, guys. What do? Plus. We add them together. Excellent. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just delete these zeros so I have space. We don't need these zeros anymore. Now we simply add our 3 answers together to get our final total. So 3 plus 0 equals 3. 2 plus 7 plus 0 equals 9. 6 plus 4 plus 4, 14. So let's write the 4, comma, and carry the 1. 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8, 17 plus 1, plus 1, 19. So 9, carry the 1 again. 6 plus 6,
12.
Plus 6,
18.
plus 1, 19. 9 carry the 1. 3 plus 1 equals 4. And then our final column, the millions, we only have 1, so we simply write that again. And now we have our final total. 1,499,493. So we can say 6,847 multiplied by 219 equals 1,499,493. and 93. And that's how to correctly multiply 4-digit numbers by 3 digits using the step-by-step process we've been learning. Guys, that was excellent. Very well answered. Well done. Now it's time for our stretch sequence. So let's stand up, guys, and push in our chairs. And for this stretch sequence, we'll begin with some rotations. We'll go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Excellent. Next, we'll do 5 stretches to our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we'll do 5 stretches to our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a shake. Arms and legs, shake it out. Shake it out. And then we'll take our right hands and we'll find our left foot. Left hand, right foot. Right hand, 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 left foot. Left hand, right foot. And to finish, we're going to do 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. What we're going to do now is a flashcards exercise for our students to come forward and demonstrate how to correctly multiply 4 digits by 3 digits. So teachers, what you'll need to do is print off the flash sheet prior to the lesson and cut the sums into individual strips of paper, fold them and place them into a bowl. Then we'll have our students come forward and work a couple of them out. So first things first, I have my bowl. I have my multiplication sums. Now I need my student. So I would like to invite Prau. Can you please come forward and choose your multiplication sum? For you. Okay, can you show it to your friends? So we have 8,623 multiplied by 412. So Prau, first of all, what colour would you like? Blue. Okay. So step 1, let's organise. 8,623 times 412 is correct. Well done, Prau. So now we're ready to begin. And as always, we always start with our ones. So 2 times 3. 2 times 2. 2 times. Plus 1 equals 17. And our comma, excellent. Well done, Prau. So we've got the answer to our ones multiplication. 17,246. So Prau, let's make a note of that answer. We'll put it over here. 17,246. Excellent. And now we're ready to move on from the ones column to the tens. How many tens do we have, guys? 1. 1 10 is 10. 623,110. So now what do we do with the 0? Delete the 0 for now. 1 times 3. 1 times 2. Excellent. Perfect. Well done, Prel. You see, Prel remembered the 0 that we remove has to go back at the end. And now we have our second answer for our tens multiplication. 86,230. Perfect. Now we move on to our hundreds. How many hundreds? 4 hundreds. So 8,023. Yes. How many zeros? Delete 2 zeros. 4 times 3? 2 carry over 1. 4 times 2? 4 times 6? 24. 4 times 8? Plus 2? 34. And now our 2 zeros go back in at the end. And Prel has excellently remembered after each third digit we have our comma. So the answer to our hundreds multiplication, 3,449,200. And we're now ready to write that answer in our totals. Excellent, Prel. Just about time to fit it in. And now we don't multiply these numbers. What do? Add them together. So let's do it together. 6 plus 0 plus 0 equals 6. 4 plus 3, 7. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. Now 7 plus 6, 13 plus 9, 2. Correct. Now 8 plus 4 is 12. Plus 1 plus 2, 15. Excellent, Prel. We now have our final total. 3,552,676. So we can say 8,623 multiplied by 412 equals 3,552,676. Proud. Okay, that was brilliant. Very well done. High five and a big round of applause for Prel, please, guys. So that's how we can correctly multiply 4 digits by 3 numbers. And teachers, you can pause the video in your classrooms now, and you can do a couple of flash problems with your own students. And remember, choose a different student each time and have the entire class practice speaking and answering the questions together. And we're going to play on here. So, first thing I need to do, clean the board. My next student I would like to invite to the front of class is Nadia. Nadia, come and join me at the front, please. And Nadia will choose her multiplication problem and show it to your friends. What do we have, guys? 2,468 multiplied by 372. So first thing to do, Nadia, what colour would you like? Blue. So we can write our multiplication problem on the board. 2,468 multiplied by 372. Excellent. So, as we know by now, always start with the ones column. So 2 times 8, 16. So we can write the 6 and carry the 1. 2 times 6 equals plus 1. 3, carry the 1. 2 times 4. 9. And then comes our comma. 2 times 2 equals 4. Okay, so we have our first answer to our ones multiplication. 4,936. And then Nadia, can you write this total just over here for us so we can make a note of it? 4,936. Okay, so next we move from the ones to the tens. And how many tens do we have? 7. So 2,468 multiplied by 370. So what do we do with the 0, guys? Delete 0. 7 times 8. 56. Well done. So we write the 6 and carry the 5. 7 times 6. 42 plus 5. 47. So we write the 7, carry the 4. Next, 7 times 4. 28 plus 4. 32. So we can write the 2 and carry the 3. And next comes our comma. Comma. 17 it does, and we can write that answer here. Now, what comes back at the end of our calculation? 0. So let's remove the comma, put our 0 in. Excellent, Nadia. So now we have our second answer, 172,760. So let's write that answer here, remembering about place value. Place value always important. So we make the correct 172,760. Excellent, Nadia. So now our place value is correct. But we're not finished yet. Now we have to go from our tens to our hundreds. And how many hundreds can we see? 3. So our next calculation, 2,468 multiplied by 300. Now, how many zeros can we see? 2. So let's remove the zeros. 3 times 8, 24. Correct. So let's write the 4, carry the 2. 3 times 6 plus 2 equals 20. 0 plus 2. 3 times 4. 4. 3 times 4, 12 plus 2. 14. 14. So 4, carry the 1. 3 times 2 equals 6, plus 1 equals 7. And then we put our zeros back. Okay, so now our answer, 740,400. We need to write our third answer in our column because now we need to add them together. We have our answers for our ones, tens, and hundreds. So our final calculation isn't multiplication, it's addition. So you can write the addition total here. 6 plus 0 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 6, 9. Now, 9 plus 7 equals 16 plus 4, 20. So 0, carry the 2. Not times, plus 8. 4 plus 7? 11. So write the 1, carry the 1. Equals 8, plus the other one, 9. So now we have our final answer. 918,096. So we can say 2,468 multiplied by 372 equals 918,096. And this is how to correctly answer 4 digits multiplied by 3 digits. And Nadia, that was amazing. Very well done. High five. Big round of applause for Nadia, please, guys. And now it's time for our worksheet part of the lesson. So teachers, what you'll need to do is give each student in your class their own worksheet. And it is a series of multiplication problems involving 4 digits by 3 digits. Our students need to work their way through them and get the answer by working the step-by-step process that we've shown. But what's the first thing to do, guys? Names on top. And give our students around 12 minutes for this activity and help them with anything they need. So luck out for you. Bang bon.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Prau, you're welcome. Down for you.
Here.
You're welcome. Ned, here's yours. You're welcome. Nadia, for you. You're welcome. Pat? Pat, okay, mate? Pak Boong, you're welcome. Chu, you're welcome. So, work your way through your problems, guys. And remember, step-by-step process that we've been learning to do. When it comes to the tens and the hundreds, delete the zeros and put them back in at the end. And if you need any help, let me know. I can work them out on the board too. Each problem is 4 digits by 3 digits. Excellent to see, guys. Everybody's showing their working out. And everybody using lots of fingers too. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity where they had to multiply 4 digits by 3 digits and show their workings out in the columns on the right. And don't worry if our students don't finish all 4 problems, just have them do the problems correctly in the time allowed. It's better to work slowly and get them correct than work quickly and get them wrong. And that's all we've got time for today. So we hope you've enjoyed the lesson, and we'll see you again very soon. Can we all turn to wave and say goodbye, guys?
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. See you again soon.